Hi everyone, my name is Anya and on this channel I help you to learn Spanish. In this video we are going to talk about two of the most important but at the same time most difficult verbs in Spanish, ser and estar. These two verbs mean to be, but their usage is very different. All the examples I'm using in this video are from this book, Gramática de uso del español, A1, A2. I truly recommend this book and I will leave the link down below. When to use ser. First of all, descriptions of permanent characteristics of persons or objects. For example, soy alta, I'm tall. Or la casa es grande, the house is big. Also, we use ser when we're talking about professions. Mi padre es profesor, my father is a teacher. Or soy estudiante, I'm a student. Also, we use ser when we are talking about nationalities or origin. For example, somos españoles, we are Spanish. Or soy de México, I'm from Mexico. Time and dates. Hoy es lunes, today is Monday. Son las 5, it's 5 o'clock. And events. La boda es en la iglesia. The wedding is at the church. Estar we are using when we are talking about location. Where? Estoy en casa. I'm at home. Where am I? Estoy en casa. La iglesia está en el centro. The church is in the center. Also, we use estar when we are talking about temporary states or emotions. Estoy cansada. I am tired. Or el café está caliente, the coffee is hot. We use estar when we're talking about changing in state. Estás más delgado, you've lost weight. Or about temporary actions with gerund. Estoy estudiando español, I'm studying Spanish. It's basically the same as in English when you're using the verb to be and gerund. I am studying, I am doing something. Estoy estudiando, estoy haciendo. Now let's do some exercises. I've created them on a couple of sets of flashcards with new vocabulary on Quizlet. You can access them by becoming a channel sponsor through the link down below and practice new vocabulary every day from all your devices. Now let's have a closer look at the difference between permanent and temporary states. Let's compare these examples. María es muy activa. Maria is active, this is her character. Hoy está cansada, today she's tired. It's a temporary state. Or for example, Sofía es delgada, Sofía is slim, it's her permanent quality. Estás muy delgado, Pedro, you look slim, Pedro. Something has changed. Rubén no es muy elegante. Rubén isn't very elegant. That's part of his personality. Rubén está muy elegante con este traje. Rubén looks very elegant today with this suit. This is something temporary. So notice that ser shows that a person or thing is always this way, while estar describes changes or temporary characteristics. And now let's talk about adjectives that change meaning. Some adjectives change their meaning depending on whether we use ser or estar. Let's go over some examples. The adjective malo. Ser malo means to be bad in character. Este perro es muy malo. The dog is mean, is bad. Estar malo, to be sick. Pepe está malo. Pepe is sick. The adjective aburrido. Ser aburrido, to be boring in character. Rubén es muy aburrido. Rubén is very boring. Estar aburrido, to be bored. Estamos aburridos. We are bored. The adjective bueno, ser bueno, means to be good in quality. Este libro es muy bueno. This book is very good. Estar bueno, to be tasty or to recover. Este cordero está muy bueno. This lamb is very tasty. Before we had an example, estar malo, Pepe está malo. Pues Pepe está bueno. It means that Pepe has recovered. The adjective listo, ser listo, to be smart. Mi hermano es listo. My brother is smart. Estar listo means to be ready. Yo estoy lista para la clase. I'm ready for the class. The adjective rico, it can mean to be rich when we use ser rico, to be rich. El tío de Carlos es muy rico. Carlos's uncle is very rich. Está rico means to be delicious. Este cordero está muy rico. This lamb is very delicious. And the adjective moreno. Ser moreno means to have dark hair or dark skin. María es morena. María is dark-haired. Estar moreno means to be tanned. Estoy moreno después de las vacaciones. I'm tanned after the holidays. This list of adjectives can go on. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a video with more examples. Now you know the difference between ser and estar and you can use them correctly. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I see you very soon.